everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations, and today I'm going to be moderating on Bracelet Book, and I want you to join me. Yay! For those of you who don't know, Bracelet Book is a website where you can upload bracelet patterns and photos, and you can interact with other users who also like to make friendship bracelets. And as a moderator, I am one of a team of like 10 to 15 people. Sometimes it changes, just like depending on if we add a new moderator or not. And what we do is we basically monitor all of the content that's posted on the website. So we make sure that everyone's staying safe, all of the content is relevant and valuable to the site, and people are being nice to each other and not harmful or posting inappropriate content. So I like moderating on Bracelet Book because it gives me an opportunity to see everyone's designs, and it also gives me an opportunity to improve people's designs in a way that will be constructive and also helpful to their development as a bracelet maker and also to the overall site. I thought I would take you on a little journey of moderating with me today, and it's a process I love a lot, and it can be really therapeutic just to go through. It's kind of fun, laid back. I don't like declining people's patterns sometimes because it can feel rude, but I try to be as kind as possible for them. So yeah, I'll take you through a journey on that. I also made 2 other videos on this topic, so if you want to see me moderate more patterns, you can check those out. The links are in the description of this video. So let's go! Alright, so let's go to photos. I like seeing photos because it's really cool to see all the patterns that people are making right now and things that they upload. So I really like this pattern. This is a whale pattern, and the keychain that the person submitted is this really cute pastel background, but I think I'm going to rotate it because it seems like the whale would look better facing like that way instead of that way, you know, but rotating it doesn't do anything like it doesn't decline or anything, it just rotates it so it looks a little nicer. And then I'm going to accept it, which means that the photo will be posted on the pattern, so if people go to that pattern, they can see the photo that that person posted. This next one is a lovely candy cane stripe. It looks like it's on a dog, but it seems really small and you can't really see the pattern clearly. I'm going to ask them to upload it not on the dog so the pattern can be seen a little clearer. Alright, next is this candy stripe link sort of thing, and this is really, really pretty, and it says that it's also a pattern for the December challenge. So what I'm going to do is everyone who makes a pattern for the challenges get a reward. So I'm copying and pasting their username, and as a moderator I can give awards because that's one of the cool perks. So I've given this user a reward, and then I will accept it. We have weekly challenges, and then we have a monthly challenge that like the moderator sort of every week one of us chooses a couple patterns for you guys to do, and then you just have to upload like a picture with the word challenge, like with the pattern that you make. All of the instructions are in the forums in Bracelet Book. Ooh, this pattern's really pretty. This person did a really great job. It's a picture of the phases of the moon, and I think I'll go ahead and accept it. This one is TPWK. I think it stands for Treat People with Kindness, as Harry Styles once said, or as he says, and yeah, they did a great job. I love the pastel colors, like the coordinating colors of the different letters. Next is this cool braid, I don't even know how to describe, like a gradient braided pattern of some kind, but the person did a great job. You can see the bracelet. It's a little teeny tiny bit blurry, but I'm gonna let it slide because you can still see, like, obviously you can see the bracelet and you can see it's uploaded to the right pattern, so I'll go ahead and accept that. Alright, and then I think this person must have uploaded the same image accidentally, so I'm just going to say that the photo already exists. They probably just pressed the button twice or something, no big deal. This one, I don't know what it is. It looks like a horse, maybe a sports logo, I'm not really sure, but the pattern matches the photo, so I'm going to accept that. Next is football, I think? Oh, same person, but yeah, pattern matches the photo, so I'll go ahead and accept it. Ooh, this one's a dovetail. This one looks so pretty. Again, by the same person. Good job. Go you. You are making a lot of bracelets. This one is a Starburst, one of my personal favorite patterns, and I love this color combo that they chose. So, of course. And I don't have to love the color combo to accept it, but these are just my own comments as like a person, as a fellow appreciator of the Bracelet Book fandom. Are we considered a community? That's the word. We're not a fandom. But yeah, this one was a creepy smiley face, but they did a great job. Their knots are very neat. Okay, this one looks anime-ish related. I'm not an anime person, but it looks like a cartoon anime of some sort. Ooh, this one I think is Kirby. I think the name is Kirby, and it's so cute. I love little cheeks. so I'll accept that. Next is this adorable little cat. Oh, it's so sweet, but the bracelet is, I think it would look better if it were rotated, so I'm going to rotate it, and then I will accept it as the rotated version. Next is this Greek wave pattern, and I love it. The person did a great job, and I love this gorgeous wood background, so I will go ahead and accept that. Next is this vertical wave pattern, and again, I love it. Great job. So I will accept it. There's not a lot of declining. We won't decline a photo because the bracelet looks bad. We'll decline it because like we can't see the bracelet or we can't see the pattern, or if you uploaded it to the wrong pattern. So it's like a lot less subjective than pattern moderating. So in a way that's nice because it's like you don't have to feel bad about it. You're just like, well, we can't see the bracelet, so sorry about it. But anyway. Alright, let's switch to patterns. So patterns is going to show both patterns and variations. So this first one is a variation. The original pattern was purple and black, and so this one is pink and black, and it looks great, so I'll accept it. This next one looks like it's a fox. Oh, Pokemon Rattata. But it looks like the pixels for the light blue and black are a little bit unclear, so I'm going to ask them. I'm going to say the pattern looks a little bit unfinished, and I'm going to say, like, add to this, I'm going to say the light blue and black pixels look mixed. Is this intentional? And that will tell them that I don't really think it's mixed. Ooh, this one is Slytherin. Alright, I know that there is a pattern that already exists like this. It has Slytherin on it. So I'm going to ask them to, I don't really know because they can't, I'll click on their profile and see. So my memory card ran out of space accidentally, so I had to decline that pattern basically, but I saw that they hadn't had any accepted patterns like it on their page, so I declined it because it would basically be like stealing another creator's pattern. Okay, my memory card just said bye-bye, so I don't know how much it cut out, but anyway, let's continue. So this next pattern is from VeggieTales, and the only association I have with VeggieTales, I never watched it as a kid, but the only association I have with it is in 10th grade, we were learning about therapy in psychology, and my teacher showed us a clip from therapy called Larry's Lips, and it was about a cucumber, I think talking to a tomato, and he's like, I've been afraid of my lips, but now I love my lips, something like that. And it was just the weirdest thing, and our teacher made us write down like things Larry the zucchini is afraid of, his lips, and like he got them stuck to a pole, and like then his aunt kissed them, like, so it was the weirdest thing. But anyway, this is a very detailed pattern of junior asparagus according to the keywords, so I will accept it because that's absolutely hilarious. Oh, his name is Archibald. Archibald the asparagus. Oh, Larry the cucumber. There you go. Alright, this next one looks very pretty. I love this variation. It kind of looks like vintage a little bit. It must be the cream instead of using white. I love it. Alright, and this one is simple, but it's kind of cute, so I will accept it. Alright, I think I'm gonna end it there because when I screen record things for too long, my computer starts acting up. So hopefully my camera didn't cut out for too much and this video is somewhat enjoyable. But anyway, if you like this video and you want to see more moderating videos, there are more videos in the description. And feel free to check me out on Instagram and Etsy for more fun bracelet content stuff. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!